Okay, good morning, guys. Welcome to another edition of my tutorial videos. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how you can add Luckychip tokens to your Metamax, and how you can use those tokens to play on to play games, either the Lucky Dice, Lucky Lottery, or whatever, on the Luckychip website. Now, this is the home of Luckychip. This is the home interface. This is what it looks like. As you can see, I've not connected my wallet here. So we're basically going to be looking at how you can use testnet tokens. So how do you get testnet tokens? First things first, if you're doing testnets for the first time, you need to add testnet, BSC testnet to your Metamax. And how do you do that? If you're using the PC, you click on here. As you can see, I've already added it, but I'm going to show you how to do that. You click on um, click here, add networks. Add networks. As you can see, you get the network name, which is okay. Let me show you. For BSC testnet, the network name is BSC testnet. The new RPC URL is this, as you can see here. So you simply copy and paste. A necessary article that will help you do this will be placed in the description section of this video. This is the chain ID for BSC testnet. This is the currency symbol. This is the block explorer URL. So that's basically it. When you've done all of this, you can now click on save. That's if you're doing it for the first time. I've done it, so I don't need to do that. So the next thing you have to do is to add the Luckychip um, token to your BSC testnet. How do you do that? You click on import tokens. You click on import tokens, and then you add the contract address. Contract address will be placed in the description section of this video also, because I've already added it before now. So that's basically how to add Luckychip and tokens to your testnet, to your BSC testnet. As you can also see, I have 0.94 BNB. So you'll be thinking I'm a big boy, I'm a rich guy, but no, these are just testnet tokens. Yeah, these are just testnet tokens. So you can also get this. So how do you get testnet BNB, testnet tokens for BNB? So the link will be placed in the description section of this video, but let me show you. This is the website testnet.binance.org/faucet smart. So when you come to this website, you simply just put in your address. You go to your Metamax, you copy this address, and then you paste it here, and then you click on give me BNB. You click on 1 BNB, and then that will be all. They will give you 1 BNB, but it is testnet tokens. Remember, it's not real money. You can't withdraw it. So that's basically it. After you've gotten the testnet, after you've added Luckychip testnet to your Metamax, the next thing you do is you the next thing you do is to get your Luckychip tokens, your testnet tokens, and for you to get that, you have to connect your wallet. So we're going to do that right now. You connect. You can also do this with Trust Wallet. That's why you're seeing Trust Wallet here, but I'm using Metamax, so I'll click on Metamax, wait for the notification to pop up. You click on connect, then it's okay. As you can see here, it has connected my wallet. As you can see here, it has connected my wallet. So when you've connected your wallet, you would see this: my lucky power, my lucky bonus, and my lucky airdrop. As you can see, you're going to have 10k lucky chip tokens as testnet tokens rather, 10,000 Luckychip testnet tokens. So you can click on claim and to take you back to Metamax. It's going to take BNB. Why is it taking BNB? This Luckychip is launched on the Binance Smart Chain. You get, so every transaction in the Binance Smart Chain, whether you're using PancakeSwap, whatever, it's going to take transaction fees in BNB. But remember, it is testnet BNB tokens because we are dealing with what? Testnets, BSC testnets. So we're waiting for it to confirm, and then we can start playing games. But all right, as you can see here, good. From as you can see here, you now have zero lucky chip tokens to claim. It means you have claimed all your lucky chip tokens. So you can now go back to your MetaMask and see if it has been added. Yeah, it has been added to your BSC testnet. So if you've come thus far, this is basically everything you need to. This is the way you need to add lucky chip um, your lucky chip to your MetaMask and then claim the testnet token. So what we're going to do now is to try to play some games. We're going to try to play some games. So let's click on Lucky Dice. Let's click on Lucky Dice. All right, and before I play this game, I'm going to explain to you what it's about. So you will not get confused. As you can see here, you're seeing 6B, 3S, 6B open, 6B, 2S, 6B, 3S, 4B. What do these things mean? This is basically group data. If you've done statistics, basically this is group data. So for the round of 2170 to 2179, these were the results um, that was gotten when the dice was tossed. You get, one appeared 21% times, 2 appeared 18% of the times, 3 appeared 17% of the times. So for numbers such as 1, 2, and 3, they are grouped as small, while numbers such as 4, 5, and 6 are grouped as big. So that's why you're seeing 6 as B here, 3 as S here, 6 as B here. So that's basically it. So what do this game, the current round is 2204. What you I'm going to wait for this round time to finish. I'll join the new round. Yet it's remaining just 2.5 seconds for the new round to start. So I'll join the new round. So let me continue with my explanation. What you simply do in this game, it's a game of luck. A game of prediction rather. You're predicting whether when this um, dice is tossed, if it's just like playing Ludo. I don't know if you play Ludo or playing any dice game. You're predicting which of the numbers will show when this dice is tossed. So the smaller, um, I could actually click 1, 2, 3, and then I bet. But the smaller the numbers you pick, the higher your chances of winning higher. You get, if you pick 1, 2, or 3, that's if you're predicting that either 1 or 2 or 3 will come out when the dice is tossed, you will, and then someone predicts that only one will come out when the dice is tossed. If at the end of the day the dice is tossed and then one comes out, that person that predicts just one will earn more than you that gave yourself three predictions. I don't know if you understand. All right, so uh I'm going to place a bet. I'm just hoping I'll be lucky. Yeah, that's why it's called Lucky Chip. I'm going to place a bet of about, let's say 100 testnet Luckychip tokens. The bet I'm placing on is that 3 would be the number that would come out when this dice is tossed. So it's going to take some amount of BNB from you to do that. That's the transaction fee. So it's showing betting. We're waiting for it to confirm. I have just 35 seconds left. All right, finally. So you click on confirm. Uh, do I have time? Do I have time? Yeah, I think it has. The bet has been placed. The bet success. The bet has been placed. So let's see if I was lucky. Whoa, I was actually lucky. As you can see here, I chose just number 3, and then when the dice was tossed, number 3 was the number. So I have actually won 586 Luckychip testnet tokens. Yeah. So that's how it's a game of being lucky. So you can continue predicting and then continue playing. You can choose 6, you can choose so many numbers. You see, I won 568 because I chose just one number, and then at the end of the day, it was just that one number. But if I had chosen 3 numbers, and then maybe one of those 3 numbers was the numbers that was represented when the dice was tossed, then I would have won a lesser amount of Luckychip tokens because I increased the horizons of my predictions rather. So one of the beautiful thing about Luckychip is that as you've won like that, your as you can see here, your bet mining, your after you've won, your bet winnings will begin to mine, and then you can also have lucky bonus. If you do not withdraw your winnings, it will automatically begin to mine more for you. So that's the beautiful thing about Lucky Chip. So join us in our next video on how we explain how to use other features of Lucky Chip. As you can see here, we have the trade where you have exchange and liquidity. We have bet mining. We have Lucky Chip. We have Lucky Lottery. We have Lucky Banker, and so much and so much. So in my next video, I'll explain other products of Lucky Chip. So thank you so much and stay lucky.